Welcome back. This is DieCast Street League. We are here in Rock City. It is a beautiful 81-degree day, great for racing. This is a top of the A-class list race. Okay, these 4 cars already participated in another race series where they came in first or second just to get into this race. All right, let's get to these cars though. 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT. 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS, driven by Tip Smoke. 1969 Ford Mustang. 1978 Pontiac Hot Bird, driven by Brian Bush. Those are the cars for today's race. The second round action, you know it's gonna be crazy. All right, the best out of 8 will take the money and the bragging rights and move on to the next race series where we got 2 other drivers waiting to take their heads off. First place gets 2 points, second place gets 1. No third, no fourth. You better work for your food if you want to eat. Let's go. Brian Bush in that hot bird is in first place. The Mustang is over here. Coming out of the last turn. Since Mustang took the lead, Brian Bush crashed. The Mustang got a 10.09 time. Woo! I mean, that is one of the best times you have ever seen on this track. The second best ever. Back at the top to chop it all up. Man, Brian Bush in the Hot Bird was leading that one all the way from the first to second to the third turn. Right before Shark's Mouth, he crashed and gave up the lead to the Mustang. The Mustang took first place. It was a good one. Brian Bush got a DNF. All right, let's go. Tip Smoking Chevelle got passed up by the SRT. Oh, the Mustang trying to pass Tip, but couldn't get it done. Tip, nope. The SRT would take it with a 10.48 time. That was a good one. Tip came in second place in that red Chevelle. Brian Bush got a DNF right there. We are back at the top of the canyon. Tip Smoke had the lead coming out of the first turn in the Chevelle. The SRT Challenger passed him up before the first bridge. Held it all the way down. Tip tried to get the lead back but could not get around the SRT. SRT got first place, Tip Smoke got second. Let's go. Mustang in first place, coming out of the... Oh, Brian Bush just passed the Mustang up. Coming out of the last turn, can he hold the lead? And he will with a 10.54 time. Man, that was a great race. They were moving down through there. Tip and the Chevelle caught a DNF and the SRT as well. Mustang in first place, coming out of the... Oh, Brian Bush just... We are back. Man, that was another good race. The Mustang had the lead coming out of the first turn. Brian Bush in that Hot Bird passed him up over the bridge going into the second turn, had the lead. He held it all the way down. The Mustang was on his bumper, drafting, the whole way down. He got a little separation, took the first place victory. Mustang got second. Let's go. SRT's in first place. Tip Smoker's in second place. Oh, the SRT stomped out. Tip tried to crash him out, but couldn't. It looks like the SRT will take first place with a 10.92 time. Bryant Bush and the Hot Bird got second place. Tip Smoke was in second place but got passed up. Back at the top. Oh, that's what you trying to crash him out. We are back. The SRT had the lead coming out of the first turn. The Mustang was in second place. Tip Smoke and the Chevelle passed the Mustang up going into the second turn. Alright. SRT had the lead. Tip was trying to get the lead from the SRT. Brian Bush was trying to get second place from Tip. Coming out of the last turn, I don't know what happened. Tip must have shifted gear wrong or something, but Brian Bush passed that man up for the second place victory. The SRT already had first place locked. Let's go. Brian Bush and Hot Bird. He is gone. Coming out of Shark Smile. Oh, it looks like the Mustang trying to pass him up, couldn't get it done. 10.44 was the time the Hot Bird got it. The Mustang was all on his bumper. I'm telling you, he was trying to pass him or spin him out. Either way, the Hot Bird, Brian Bush, got it. Shark Smile. Oh, look what back at the top of the canyon, Brian Bush led that one from the first turn to the last. The Mustang was on his bumper the whole time, drafting, trying to get around him, but could not. Brian Bush got first place, the Mustang got second. Let's go. Tip Smoking a Kelly. Chevelle just got passed up. He tried to pass the SRT up and couldn't get it done. The SRT, yes, he did pass the SRT up. Man, that was a crazy race. It was a lot of driving involved. It was a slow-paced race, but it was a lot of skill showed off right there. Tip Smoke got 11.30 time. Good race. Yes, he did. We are back at the top of the canyon. Man, that was a good race. Tip Smoke and the Chevelle had the lead coming out of the first turn. The SRT passed that man up before the second turn. All right. Tip was trying to get the lead back from the SRT. He was on his heels. Going into the third turn, he actually got the lead back for like 2 seconds. The SRT got it back. Going into the last turn, Tip Smoke saw his opportunity, passed up the SRT for the first place victory. Let's go. Hot Bird's in first place. The Mustang just passed the Hot Bird up. Brian Bush got passed up by the Mustang. The Mustang took a 10.50 time at his expense. We are back Man, that was another good race in the books. Brian Bush and the Hot Bird had the lead coming out of the first and second turn. Going into the long second straight, the Mustang passed Brian Bush up for the first place position. The Mustang just passed the Hot Bird. Brian Bush was trying to get it back but could not. He took second place, the Mustang took first. Alright. This is the last race. It is a close one. Right now we're sitting at a 3-way tie. Let's go! SRT's in first place. Tip and Chevelle is in second. Oh my God, Brian Bush just passed Tip up for the second place position, and he will take it. Oh my God. Tip just got passed up by Brian Bush. The SRT took first place. The SRT won that race series. He's been running like a champ all day long. It was a close 3-way battle. The Hot Bird came in second place. They both will move on to the next set of races waiting to take their heads off. Alright? Thanks for watching DieCast Street League. Please like, subscribe, share, hit the yo bell. Only if you want to, but please do. Let's go.